Welcome to the top best. The best pirate hat is probably one of the most iconic accessories for any young adventurer. Whether it's for a Halloween costume, a themed birthday party, or just everyday imaginative play, a good pirate hat can instantly transform a child into a swashbuckling buccaneer. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive into the world of kids' pirate hats, exploring what makes a great hat and helping you find the ideal treasure for your little pirate. Number 5. Juvale Pirate Hat Tricorn with Feather. This is a classic tricorn pirate hat, complete with a feather. It's perfect for adults and adds an authentic touch to any pirate costume or historical reenactment. You'll feel like you've stepped right out of the pages of history. Whether you're into Revolutionary War reenactments or just love the pirate aesthetic, this hat is a great choice. Its design is inspired by the hats worn during those periods. It will make you stand out. Made with a kettle brim, this hat is designed for both style and durability. It's crafted to look great and last through many adventures. It's a great addition to your collection. The hat measures 15 by 13 by 3.5 inches and comes in a sleek black color. The size is suitable for most adults. It will fit well and look great. This hat is the perfect finishing touch for your pirate or historical costume. It will transport you to another era. Get ready to set sail. What we like. This hat boasts a classic tricorn design, instantly recognizable. The durable kettle brim ensures it holds its shape. If you are looking for an authentic pirate look for historical reenactments, this is the one for you. What people say. The hat is well made and fits my 4-year-old perfectly. The hat is a great addition to the costume. The hat is perfect for my son's pirate costume. Number 4. Nicky Big's Black Pirate Hat for Women. Ahoy, mateys! Are you ready to set sail on a sea of adventure? This hat is the perfect accessory to transform you into a swashbuckling pirate. Inspired by the tricorn hats of the colonial era, this hat adds a touch of historical flair to any outfit. It's a nod to the past, with a modern twist. Whether you're dressing up for Halloween, a Renaissance fair, or a themed party, this hat is a versatile choice. It completes your costume with style. Made with quality materials, this hat offers both comfort and style. You can wear it all day or night without any issues. Embrace the spirit of a cavalier with this hat. It's a statement piece that will make you stand out from the crowd. Get ready to turn heads. What we like. This hat is designed with style in mind. It's perfect for women who want to embrace the pirate theme. If you like a touch of elegance with your pirate costume, you should consider this. What people say. The hat is well made and fits my 4-year-old perfectly. The hat is a great addition to the costume. The hat is very cute and the kids love them. Number 3. Nicky Big's Black Pirate Hat for Women. This hat is perfect for any pirate-themed event or costume party. It's a classic tricorn design that will instantly transform you into a swashbuckling adventurer. Get ready to set sail and find some treasure. Inspired by cavalier and colonial styles, this hat adds a touch of historical flair to your look. The design is both stylish and comfortable, making it ideal for extended wear. It's a great way to stand out from the crowd. If you're attending a Renaissance fair, this hat is a must-have accessory. It complements various period costumes, adding authenticity to your ensemble. It will make you feel like you've stepped back in time. Made with quality materials, this hat offers both comfort and durability. The design ensures a secure fit, allowing you to enjoy your event without any worries. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality. Whether it's Halloween, a themed party, or a theatrical performance, this hat is sure to make you the center of attention. It's a versatile accessory that adds a touch of fun and excitement to any occasion. Get ready to make some memories. What we like. This hat is designed with style in mind. It's perfect for women who want to embrace the pirate theme. If you like a touch of elegance with your pirate costume, you should consider this. What people say. Cute, sturdy, and good quality. It's sturdy enough, and the snaps hold the brim up. Much better quality than I expected. Number 2. Kids Weathered Pirate Tricorn Hat. Ahoy, mateys! Get ready to set sail with this awesome pirate hat. It's perfect for any young adventurer looking to find buried treasure. This hat features a classic tricorn design, just like the pirates of old. The weathered look adds to the authenticity, making it look like it's been through many voyages. Whether it's for Halloween, a costume party, or just everyday play, this hat is a great addition. It's sure to spark imagination and fun. The package includes the hat itself. It's ready to wear and start your pirate adventure right away. So, grab this hat, and let the adventures begin. It's the perfect accessory for any young pirate. What we like. This hat features a weathered look, perfect for young adventurers. It's designed specifically for kids. If you have a little one who loves pirates and wants to look the part, this is a great choice. What people say. It has a wired moldable edge and you'll have to reshape it once it's out of the packaging. The material has a worn leather look and isn't too thin. Has held up so far to all sorts of pirate adventures for several months. I like that it has positional wiring in it so you can reshape it as you like and it holds its shape. Number 1. Juvale Pirate Party Favors Kit, 100-piece set. Get ready to embark on a pirate adventure. This kit includes everything you need for a swashbuckling good time. It's perfect for any pirate-themed party. This set is packed with fun decorations and party favors. It includes a variety of toys and accessories to make your party unforgettable. They will be entertained all day long. Inside, you'll find compasses, magic springs, rings, earrings, coins, necklaces, hats, telescopes, treasure chests, and eye patches. This set has everything to make the party a success. Made from durable plastic and foam, these supplies are built to last. They can withstand a full day of birthday party fun. This ensures they can enjoy the party without worry. The treasure chests are 3.25 by 1.8 inches, coins are 1.38 inches, and more. The sizes are perfect for party favors. This ensures that everyone can enjoy the fun. This extensive set includes rings, earrings, coins, necklaces, skeletons, compasses, telescopes, treasure chests, eye patches, and hats. It's the perfect pack for any pirate party. What we like. This set includes a whopping 100 pieces of pirate-themed goodies. It's packed with hats, patches, and more. If you are planning a pirate-themed birthday party, this set has everything you need to make it a memorable event. What people say. The hat is well made and fits my 4-year-old perfectly. The hat is a great addition to any pirate costume. It's a great quality hat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.